is fantastic. Parents are favorite. It's soft, chewy, and unique like sugar sponge cake and honeycomb texture.